Hello safety warriors, I'm Ranger Ray and today we're learning about overpasses and underpasses. These are special bridges and tunnels that help pedestrians cross busy roads safely. Let's explore where to find them and how to use them properly. Overpasses are bridges that go above the road and underpasses are tunnels that go below the road. You'll often find them in busy areas near schools, markets, or highways where crossing the road would be dangerous. Let's learn the steps to use these safely. Always approach the overpass or underpass from the designated entrance. Walk calmly, don't run or push others. Look both ways when exiting. Use handrails on overpasses if available for extra safety. Crossing roads in random places can be very dangerous, especially on busy highways. Overpasses and underpasses keep you safe by separating you from fast-moving vehicles. Always use these designated areas instead of crossing directly on the road. Great job, safety warriors! Now you know how to find and use overpasses and underpasses safely. Remember, always use these crossings to stay safe on busy roads and protect yourself from accidents.